Yes, Vanakkam. The plan of the institute is always the same, offering lots and lots of practice, inculcating knowledge through realization, sharing love, and giving motivation. There is no change in that. Now, what's special this May? See, what happens in winter is we accumulate a certain bit of fat just to keep us warm. And during summer, this fat melts away. When a fat melts, it turns into glucose, then into energy. Why not putting this energy into right use, making us strong? That's the core idea behind this schedule. 4 classes is not altered. The 6, 7, 15, 11 and 6:30 will remain the same with a little bit of changes here and there. So the general practice will be handled and also the elders class will be the same. Now some workshops are introduced. The self-mastery workshop is a meditation intensive workshop. A to Z of yoga will acts a revision for the students studying with us for a long period of time and also a strong foundation for the kids who are just now joining now. So that's the A to Z of yoga practice. Yoga warrior practice, I invite all my intense yoga practitioners, teachers of yoga, teachers of martial arts, the strong kids students, advanced kids students to join this. Okay, so this is going to be an intense asana practice routine. So what I have done is I've taken some bits of Kalari, Adimurai and yoga, and all these movement combines builds strength phenomenally well in us. So that's the core idea. Then is yoga sculpt. So yoga sculpt is all about building strength with certain side effects. Shaping up, toning up, losing weight. So that's about yoga sculpt. Planning certain retreats where you can detox, energize yourself through yoga and many traditional Indian practices. Now, all the weekends will be dedicated for outdoor yoga. So staying a lot of time outdoor in sun helps us to build good amount of immunity and sets our vitamins intact. Okay. So all the weekends we will be having outdoor yoga programs. Wish you all happy summer. Join us, build strength, grow stronger. Come, let's celebrate yoga the yogic way. Come on, guys. Yes.